Hello everyone. In this particular session, we'll see about LSMW using recording method, and we'll create the object that is customer using the LSMW recording method. Go to LSMW. Here, now we'll give the project name as SD. We'll create master data, and here we'll change to customer REC, that is recording method. No project exit with name SD. Click on create. Let's say SD module, subproject name master data, and the object name is customer. This is all is a key combination, that is the SD model, master data, and customer underscore RAC. As per our naming convention, we can give any name. Press enter, click execute. We can see initially there are many steps are there. Select the first one, that is maintain object attribute. Click on execute icon. Now this time select the second one, that is batch input recording. In case of batch input recording, what system do actually, if you're doing transaction with any T code, like here I'm using XD01. So in case of the recording method, system capture all the recordings, all the screens, like which T code we enter, first which program system has called, what was the screen number, on that particular screen which field we have selected, after first screen which was the next screen, on next screen what details we have entered. So in recording method, system capture all the screens with the cursor field and the fields which we have entered, and when you run the recording, when you actually run the LSMW, system just replay the whole recording with the new values. Okay, so this complete we'll see in this session. Go back to our LSMW batch input recording. Click on recording overview. Click the create icon. Give the recording name at instead XD01. Let's say customer creation. Press enter. Give the key code which we want to record. Here XD01. Press enter. This is the initial screen. Enter the account group as 0001. Let me check. Yes, sold to party. Now here select this checkbox. Use central address management. This was not possible in case of direct input. Select the checkbox. Press enter. Here we have to enter all the required fields or the fields as per our requirement. So here I'm entering as Rohit Sharma, let's say 1. In the search term, I'm entering as Rohit. I'm giving the postal code as 411004. The city is Pune. Country IN. The state code is 13, that is Maharashtra. Go back on the same screen. Page down. Here I want to enter the telephone number. Let's say and here I want to enter the email address. Let's say press enter. Click on save. So here if you observe, system captures all the details. Now here if you see, first we enter the T code XD01, then system called this program and the screen number was 100. Then system captured the cursor position, the OK code, what we have done on this screen, and it captured all the field name with the field value which we have entered. Like this, it captures all the screen with the screen number which was called, and after getting that screen, where was the cursor position, what all the field details we filled on that screen. These are field values, and after entering all the field detail, what OK code, that is user command, we enter. So that was enter we had pressed. So we can see here /00. Okay, so you can see all the details here. So after getting this screen, what we have to do, click on default all. Once we click on default all, so we can see all the field name on this pink color box. Okay, here this data is repeating because when I press enter on the initial screen, it was moved to second screen. Then I click on back button, so again it was on the first screen. Okay, so if you want to remove any fields, we can remove. So here I'm going to remove this field because this is also captured in the first screen. Okay, so remove the unwanted field. Okay, I will keep the telephone number and the email ID. Click on save button. Go back. Enter the recording name which we have entered, that is ZXD01 customer creation. Save. At any point of time, if you want to see the details, just come here and click on overview, and you can just display the recording details. Okay, you can see this anytime. Go back. Now create the source structure. Execute. Create ZXD01 str customer master structure. Click on save button. Go back. Now we have already seen earlier what are different methods of maintaining source field. So here in this case, what we'll do, we'll go for the object overview. Click here, click on list, click on overview in table format. So we can see all the fields which we entered on the screen. System has captured all fields with their technical length and the description. So we'll use the same one. What we'll do, we'll just copy all the field details from here only. Control C, go to the Excel file and Control V. So here we automatically get all the field details with their name, data type and the length. Now in the table maintenance, this one is the last field. Just cut this column, paste here, and the characters are mentioned as only C, that is character. So just maintain C. So let me insert one column here, maintain C in all. Then we'll remove this one. Okay, table name we don't require, T code also we don't require. We'll make it hard code in the constant in the field mapping. Customer account group also not required. We maintain from name one only. Copy those field. Here, go back. In the source field, execute. Select the structure. Click on table maintenance. Copy the field as it is from Excel. Okay, go back. So you can see all the fields here. Maintain structure relation. Execute. Only one structure, so automatically assign to the structure relation. execute, save, go back. Automatically it will go to next step, maintain field mapping and conversion rules. Now here the account group we want to make as constant. Here the account group will be 0001. Name 1, I want to assign on the source field, that is name 1. Now for remaining, we'll go for the autofill assignment. Go to autofill mapping, execute, enter, accept, accept, accept. You can see the autofill mapping is done by the system. Okay, execute. Go back. No need to maintain do any conversion rule here. Now first, before assigning the file, create the data in a text file. So here I'm ready with my data. Just copy this in a text. Close this. Go to LSMW, specify file, execute, double click on legacy data, select the file name, data for one source structure. Okay, first give the description, that is customer details. I'm using the tabular format and no field name at the first row, but the field order matches my structure. Go back, assign file, just click on save, read data. One record is read from the file, display read data, press enter. You can see the file data as per the text file. Go back, convert data as per the LSMW format, click on execute, go back, display converted data, go back, create a batch input session. Here select the keep batch input session folder. This will keep the file in a SM35 folder. Execute. One batch input folder with one transaction created. Run batch input session. Click execute. This is the SM35 screen. Select the record. Click on process. So here we have foreground, background. Select the foreground only first time. So here you can see on the initial screen the ID is entered. Press enter. You can see all the details, the name, the search term, and the field details. Is still the telephone number and email ID not placed because I have not pressed enter yet. As soon as I press enter, it's moved to the next screen. Coming back, now I can see the telephone number. So what is this doing? This is repeating the same recording. This is repeating all the recorded screen in the same sequence, in the same manner. Okay, press enter. You can see processing of batch input session completed. So one batch input session successfully completed. Go back. Now we'll check the record in the table. Go to SE16. This time table KNA1. Today's date. Check one record. This one is the summary which we have recently created, and the ID is 119. Just copy this ID. Go to XD03 119. You can see the record is successfully created. Okay, so in this way we're done with the session of LSMW recording method using the create custom master.